Hello, my beautifuls. Okay, so in this video, I will let you know one pointer that made me lose my first 20 pounds and losing up to 80 to 90 pounds. Okay. Now keep in mind, this is going to vary among individuals. Your weight gain, your weight loss journey, all of that is going to vary among several different aspects because we could gain weight different ways, guys. That's another video I'll do on the different ways we actually do gain weight and the different ways we can gain weight as well, because there are different ways. So I'm not going to go into that in this video, but if you would like, check out this video. I'll leave it here. I'll leave a link right here, or after this video, I will leave a link. But it will be explaining 2 tricks that I learned as well on the first 20 that made me lose my first 20 pounds. So my first 20 pounds, really, I was doing a workout, an hour workout, either with my son, or in this video, I will let you know what the or is. The or was classes. Don't sleep on the classes. What classes was I doing? I was doing body pump most of the time. Okay. I would also do cycling. So the cycling class, the body pump, and the Zumba. But mostly I was doing the body pump. The body pump is no joke. And some people think, well, shoot, Shawnna, I'm not trying to lift all those weights. I'm not trying to, because I'm not trying to bulk up, and I'm not trying to this, and I'm not trying to. No, it will actually make you lose. When you gain muscle, when you have muscle in you, it burns calories more. So the more muscle you have, the more your fat is going to be burning while you literally are at your state of rest. It's just science. So the more muscle you build, the more fat loss you're going to begin to lose. So don't be thinking, oh, well, I don't want to bulk up and all that. No. If you want to bulk up, that's a different story. That's completely different. Bulking up, you gotta do a whole lot of stuff to actually like bulk up and do all that other stuff. So don't be concerned about that. Don't be worried about that. Again, everybody is different, but when you do increase your muscle mass, you also increase the calories while you're at a state of rest, the calories that your body is literally burning. So that is my pointer for today. Make sure you leave in the comments some of your pointers. What have you found, especially with the body pump class or cycling or Zumba? Cycling and Zumba are really good as well. But body pump, guys, don't sleep on that body pump. And don't be scared to go in there either. Leave in the comments below, how did you feel your first class? Because a lot of people, that's what's holding them back. Getting into those classes and thinking, oh, I'm going to look stupid while I'm doing it. Everybody's going to be looking at me, and feeling subconscious about your weight and about, oh man, what if I'm in front of a guy and they looking at my booty and whatever, Don't worry. Y'all don't worry about all that. I'm telling you, I know our minds just play tricks on us, sometimes. And so it gets us out of that. You could talk yourself out of a really good thing. But these classes, they're really good, especially the body pump class, especially the cycling class, and especially the Zumba classes. There's other classes too. Like, for example, there's the yoga class. I'm about to go to a yoga class. Before I head out, I was like, before I head out to the gym, I was like, let me give them a few pointers. So that's the pointer basically right there, is the classes, guys. And don't sleep on it. And if you're new to the classes, just go in there. I'm telling you, everybody is so nice, so sweet, and you will feel so much better. At the end of your class, when you go out, you feel like you could conquer the world, like literally. Like, you'll feel so much better once you go in, and I know 90% of it, honestly, is stepping foot in that gym. So if you're having a hard time going to the gym and getting a gym membership, like, I don't like the gym. Well, to form a good habit like that would be to actually just 15 minutes a day do it. So 15 minutes just walk in the gym. Literally, the first week that you start, 15 minutes. I think the statistics say, what does it take, 30 days, but only 15 minutes a day to start a new habit. So just walk in, even if you just in there to say hi to people, maybe even do like one little small workout routine. One little small workout routine, guys. I'm telling you, it'll change your life dramatically. You'll start talking to people in the gym. You'll start networking in the gym. There's a lot of people in the gym hey, network. They come from all walks of life, you know. So if you're a social bug, you know, it's where you can also talk to people, find new networks, even in your business, you know. So yeah, so 15 minutes. So I guess I'm giving you 2 pointers. If you haven't started the gym, just 15 minutes, guys. 15 minutes a day at the gym. If you can't do it every single day, just try your hardest to be as consistent as possible. Walk in there only 15 minutes. Say, you know what, I'm going to do 15 minutes at the gym just for 30 days straight. And that habit, I promise you, will begin to change. But if you want to just go hardcore at it, you've been at a state of rest and you just want to go hardcore at it, you just know what it is like to be in the gym. You just want to go hardcore at it. I'm telling you, take up these classes, especially the body pump class. The more muscle mass that you have, the more that your body is going to burn your calories and burn your weight. So that was my pointer for today. I hope you liked it. Make sure you leave in the comments, what is your experience at the gym? What is your first experience? I would love to hear any of your comments that you have. Anything you would like me to do on this channel as well. This channel is for you guys. Also, don't forget to hit that like button, share, subscribe if that's what you would like to do. Love to have you aboard. All right, my beautifuls, I'm out. Stay shining. Much love. Bye.